Hi guys, let's print this CutFill map. What I have prepared here is a little CutFill map when we have like some cuts, some fills, some zero elevations. I did even the color, yeah, right here, the color fill if we want to, so I'll just leave it like that. How would I print it? In my template I have already some plan sets pre-done, so let's open the 11 by 17. So as you can see, I have it prepared with the logo and everything. Right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a plot box on I have a layer called plot box, and I'm gonna go size 11 by 17, but I'm gonna flip this size to kind of a landscape. Obviously you can see that my scale is out to lunch, so I'm gonna hit properties and scale it to fit my, I can maybe go to 1100 to fit my view. So I'm gonna center it nicely. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my drafting tab, hit Dynaview, hit this on let's say zero layer, CutFill layer. I'm gonna pick the frame. I'm gonna put in the my scale, and I wanted the scale to be a little bit higher than on my plan view, because as you can see my outside is 11 by 17, so I want to fit it into my view. I'm gonna paste it here, and I'm gonna turn off my plot box layer so I'll lose that frame. I'm gonna change description. Oops, sorry. I'm gonna change my date, January 20th, 2023, sheet 1 of 1. And once I'm done that, I'm gonna go to print plan set, and I want to print my landscape because the portrait is done, and it's gonna ask me where do I want to print it. So I'm gonna do Jan 2023 CutFill test print. Let's call it that. Hit OK, and I have my Adobe Reader here, and as you can see, this is my CutFill. Now why I do 11 by 17? Because if you have an 11 by 17 printer, it's pretty good. If you don't, this will actually print good even on 8.5 by 11. So let's try to print it. While we're printing, just want to take the time. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me with this production. And yeah, so if I wanted to print it without, like, say, the CutFill, the map, I can turn it just off, and I can put in my design or whatever I want to, just so have it. And this thing is printing here. Let me just show it to you. And voila, I have it printed. Because it's quite small, I can't read the CutFill numbers. What you want to do is adjust those, so you can do that by clicking properties and adjusting your font here in so I have a height 1, let's do 2.5. Yeah, so if you look at the printout, it would print out way more nicer, so you can actually read it. And like I said, if you turn on the background or whatever, I have it white out so you can still read it. Hope you found it informative, and we'll see you next one.